Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is a very special day because today we are going to pass through the famous Suez Canal, and right now I'm standing on the bridge of the ship. Just went up to the top, and from here I'll just show you where we are going around and how the Suez Canal looks like. So stay tuned. So as you can see now, we are passing through the Suez Canal, and on the back and the front you can see all the ship loaded with containers. Now on the Suez Canal you will see two sides in the video. On one side you will see full of sand, dust and dirt, while on the other side it is absolutely full of greenery and bushes and houses. So we will have a sneak peek of both of them today, and you will see how it looks like on both the sides. I will also show you how a ship is transiting through the waters of the Suez Canal and how a ship can get stuck if we have a problem like before. So let's go and see what it looks like on both sides of the ship. So now we are going to the side which is mostly filled with sand and looks like deserted area. You will soon see the entire view. I'm just approaching towards the bridge wings end, and then we can see that. And 3, 2, 1, here you go. So this is the view of the Suez Canal on one side of the ship. Here you can see this is the port side of the ship, and here you can see the view. It just looks like some deserted area with we have some few trees over there, some few houses I can see, but rest otherwise if you see, you will see complete desert and sand and very narrow passage through which the ship is passing. If you compare, you see the distance, it is very narrow where the ship is passing, and the water under the keel is like 8 to 10 meters only. So we have to be very careful while passing through the Suez Canal. And then if you look in the front, this is the passage. You can see two more ships there on the front of us. They are ahead in the convoy. We have to maintain a convoy, and the ships slowly transit towards the Suez Canal one by one according to their position in the transit. And let me take you to the other side now. The other side is more fun part of the ship. Okay, so here you can see the containers, all the bridge equipments. Yeah, you can see the Maersk flag flying high. Very nice. And here we also have the Egyptian flag that is hoisted up, since we are passing through the Suez Canal, which is situated in Egypt. So here you can also see the Egyptian flag that we have hoisted up. Now coming to the other side, almost. So this side you will be completely surprised, because this is completely opposite of what we saw in the other side. So let me take you there. Yes, now you can see it looks like a proper civilization here. You can see some houses also, some apartments, and full of vegetation and greenery. Yeah, this is just the other side of the canal. If I give you a clearer view, you will be able to see. Yes, now you can see. And if I show you both the sides, now you can contrast. You see, one side is such dark deserted area, while on the other side it is full of greenery and vegetation. So that is how we are passing through the Suez. As you can see, it is quite sunny and warm here, so it is difficult for me to open my eyes and talk to you directly looking into the camera. But you can see the view that we have here right now. You can see the aft of the ship where we have our funnels, two of them, since we have two main engines. And yes, that is pretty much the view of the canal. We are passing here right now. So it is a long passage, and we will exit in about 3 hours from now. So this is gonna take some time. It started in the night time, 2300, and we will finish the Suez Canal and come out by 1500 today. So Egypt is quite hot right now. I don't know if you have been here before, then you know what I mean to say. So yeah, this is the famous place where the incident happened, which you all might be knowing about. The ship got stuck here, and because of which there was a heavy delay in the traffic and losses of millions of dollars to the shipping industry. I can also show you how a ship can get stuck. Just wait a moment. Here you can see, since the passage is very narrow, if the ship goes alongside here, then it is very difficult to turn it sideways and get stuck in the canal. And if one ship gets stuck, as you can see, there are other ships in the front, 2 ahead of us, and 1 you can see at the back, and there are more ships. I don't know if you guys can see in the camera, but there are very, very small ships which can be seen passing through our back. They are also in the convoy. So if any of them gets turned away, or due to wind current, or the ship loses control, then it is very difficult to get stability back, because it is a very, very narrow passage through which we are passing right now, and it is very easy to get stuck here if not done properly. We also have pilots on the bridge, but I don't want to go there and disturb them through the transition, so you can just see here. And yeah, okay, since I am on board, this is the second time that we are passing through the Suez Canal, and it has been a smooth, buttery ride. I wish more of the ships passes through the same way that we are passing without any issues, and everybody is able to go from here safely. Transiting the Suez Canal, we will now be transiting towards the Chinese coastal, which brings us to the coasts of China, including 7 or 8 ports. And we will also be calling the port of Malaysia, Singapore also. So maybe I will give you a sneak peek of those ports also when we reach there. For now, you can just enjoy the view of the Suez Canal. I hope you can see everything, because right now it is a little bit blinding for me to stand in the sun and record the videos right now, since it is absolutely afternoon, 12 o'clock here. So guys, I hope you enjoyed a little bit of view for the Suez Canal and how we transit. Now you can also see the views, and please tell me in the comment section, what side do you like the most? You like to see the desert part area of the Suez, or you like to see the vegetation and household areas of the Suez? I'll be waiting for you in the comment section to read your absolutely amazing comments. And you guys can also suggest me if you like to see any more videos from the ship, and I'll bring them as soon as I can record them and upload them with some good internet. For now, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day and safe sailing to all of us. Thank you. Bye-bye.